Hi everyone, my name is Lily. I'm gonna talk today about marketing management, evaluation and control. It is in our textbook chapter 20. The question I choose is number 4. Assume that you have been hired as a consultant by a hospitality and travel organization to improve the effectiveness of its marketing effort. Explain the procedure you would recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. Make specific suggestions on how the organization should control and evaluate marketing. Describe the benefits the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. The key point I'm going to go over would be marketing in the hospitality and travel industry, hospitality and travel marketing system, and the 5 steps, marketing control and marketing evaluation, benefit of marketing evaluation and control, and benefit of consultant in the hospitality industry. Marketing has a huge impact in the business industry. I think there is nothing can be done without marketing. To be successful without marketing, I'll go over with the definition, why it's important, and the role of marketing. The definition: the action or business of promoting and selling product or service, including marketing, research, and advertising. It is the process for getting company products or service out to consumer. Why marketing is very important in the business industry as well as in the hospitality and travel industry, any kind of business, is because marketing strategy play a key role in building a brand, attract new customers, and maintaining loyalty. It helps developing products and service in the industry that meets the needs of its target market. It helps the customer to understand why the product and service is better than or different than the other company who provides the same service. The role of marketing is establishing a relationship between customer and the organization offering to the market, ensure the brand awareness exists, recognize what factors makes the customer choose a specific hospitality service. There are 2 types of marketing planning: short-term marketing planning and long-term marketing planning. Short-term marketing planning is normally a 2 years or less plan, while long-term a 3 to 5 years or more plan. It's more plan. The next one gonna be a hospitality and travel marketing system. I'm gonna go over the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system and the fundamental of hospitality and travel marketing system and benefits. There are 5 steps hospitality and travel marketing system, which is planning and researching, analysis and strategy, implementation, control, evaluation. The fundamental of hospitality and travel marketing systems are strategic marketing planning, marketing orientation, service marketing different, understanding customer behaviors and benefits are priority on planning, results in a logical flow of efforts, create a better balance of marketing activities. The next one is explain the procedure you would recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. I would recommend that the company identify the marketing problems and list the possible solution, define the purpose of marketing research, analyze the strengths and weakness of your competition, the company who has the same product or the company who has the same service, and list your marketing goals. The other one would be list your target market, knowing your customer expectation, set a goal to reach your objective, and eliminate ineffective strategy. Examine whether the planned results are being achieved or not, and check for changing in sale. At the end of the day, the goal of the company is to increase the sales and the profit. So it's very important to check for the change in the sale, that to evaluate the marketing plans work or not. Next, marketing control and marketing evaluation. What are the definition of marketing control and marketing evaluation? Marketing control is the process of monitoring the proposed plan as they proceed and adjusting where necessary, while marketing evaluation is the process of determining the effectiveness of a given strategy in achieving the organizational objective and taking corrective action whenever required. The suggestion, I will make specific suggestion on how the organization should control and evaluate. I would suggest the organization or the company have annual plan control to ensure company achieve sale, profit, and other goals in annual plan. Profitable control, measure profitability of products, targets, segments, and see efficient control, improve efficiency of marketing, advertising, sales, and promotion. Strategic control, reassess its strategy with good marketing ideas. Describe the benefits the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. I think the benefit that organization will gain from implementing recommendation marketing strategy would be that improving the enhanced brand awareness, educating customers and prospects about the product's benefits, and raising its sales and profits. Next, I want to go over a little bit the benefit of using consultant in the hospitality and travel industry. I think consultant has a huge benefit in marketing planning. Definition of consultant is a person who provides expert advice professionally in a particular area such as marketing and financing. The qualification would be a minimum of a bachelor degree with a major in accounting, business, financing, marketing, hotels, restaurants, management, or any similar business. Someone who have a knowledge or a background of hospitality or relevant experience in the hospitality and travel industry. Primary goal of consultant in the industry is as consultant assist organization with certain area of its inclusive work. I'm sorry, I have a hard time with this word, so pardon me. Achieving customer satisfaction and customer loyalty, raising the level of organizational performance and achievements, in enlarging the company's customer base and make segments and market segments. I add some reference that you guys can have more information, more detailed information. I was trying to minimize all of them over time. So thanks so much for listening my presentation, and thank you.